Hello once again, YouTube. What are we doing? Warring Battlezone. Last time you saw pretty much both teams at their fullest troll with rocket launchers, with grenades. It was just beyond belief fun in my eyes, but a lot of people were complaining. The only reason why I did it was because, when there's 3 or 4 grenades being thrown at me, I have this inner urge to retaliate and make sure that I, do better than they do. So I mean, if they're trolling, I'm going to troll harder. Last game, I actually surprisingly won? What's this all about? I don't know. But today we're going to be having a little bit of fun with Jungle Ruins. I do have my Scar. I do have my RPG-7. Which, I know, troll, and people will complain, but I like to have some fun from time to time. Frame rate. Increase. Increase frame rate. Must get this increased before I play. Oh, so now it increases. Great. I'm back up to 30 frame rates. Or frames per second. So now that I'm back to full speed, I got shot once. We'll definitely have a little bit of fun with this, I guess. Probably not. I'll probably die horribly. Let's go. Hey, at least our team is winning, surprisingly. What's this favorite time you pulled up wrong? What? Aw, I didn't have a chance to read that. I'm being attacked from the side. That's not fair. Sorry about the microphone right there. I didn't mean to. My apologies. Hopefully I don't sound weird. I don't really have much of a choice and chance to fix it at this point. At least not yet. Oh, maybe now. Better? Hopefully a little bit better. See what I mean? Bunch of grenades being thrown everywhere. Come on. Assisted kill. Damn. I did not have a chance with that. I ran out of ammo. Even with my, well, I didn't have a chance to reload. The reload speed on this weapon is actually apparently a little slow. I definitely need to rethink things. To say the least. Yes, I know this is going to be cheap. He would have had to jump out of the way. Like, that was my thing. It's a form of suppression for me. That and fun trolling. Headshot. See, I can aim. It's just... Oh, come on. Was that a sniper? No, that was just someone with an IMTAR on the other side. Not bad in terms of aim. Then again, I was just kind of standing there and using rocket launchers, so he had his right. I'm doing bad today. Well, during this match anyway. But then again, I am kind of just having a little bit of fun, and I'm only kind of sticking to this side, so technically that's my fault. Technically, I don't know who the hell just shot me. Oh, okay. That doesn't make any sense whatsoever. Because he appeared blue to me. Oh, he probably died. Never mind. I'm a noob. Not gonna lie. I'm getting better. Damn. I don't know what the hell just happened there. Yeah, you can totally shoot behind that wall. Really? Nice. Actually, yeah, you know what? I noticed that too the other day. I was able to shoot from... Well, they were able to shoot from behind a wall even though that I kind of like... ran. It was bloody annoying. Come on. is everyone? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna have to go up top, because apparently there's a reason why they're using those spots. Yikes. Oh, that was with... Oh, there's a few of them down there, man. Okay, RPG time. I kind of actually wish I had a sniper at this point, especially with this level specifically, but you guys all know my luck with snipers. Ooh, I hit someone. Unfortunately, that doesn't help me though. But see, they're doing it first, so I mean... Ooh, assisted kill, thank you. Ooh, another assisted kill, thank you. I mean, there's not much I can do when the opposite side is trolling with these as well. There should be a mode where you can actually filter out what type of weapons are allowed to be used, but then, you know, people wouldn't have fully matched equipment ready to go. And everyone does have a different playstyle, so I mean, I like RPGs. Revenge kill! Explosion kill! However other many kills there were there. Just saying, I'm basically kind of going for points at this point, so you guys can bite me. Well, I mean points and kills. But I mean, I was going to die anyways, so I might as well have a little bit of fun, if you know what I mean. I have no idea how I lived through that. I thought I was going to die. I started freaking out and trying to switch weapons that I never had. Thank you for whoever did that for me. Oh, come on. How did I not kill anybody right there? Damn. Not even an explosion. Okay. I can do this. I can do this. Hello? You know what? I should probably be using this weapon until I need to switch into the other one. I think that makes more sense, maybe. Come on. Ho ho ho, I see someone. Come on. Oh, I didn't have enough ammo. Damn. It always comes down to the ammo, and I even have, you know, double up, but I mean, with this weapon, it's not very big of a, like, mag size, and yeah, that's my excuse. I hope you guys enjoy that excuse, because that's the only one I have that seems half legitimate. Come on. Come on. Come on. 1 minute left. Let me kill one other person. That's all I care about right now. Even if it's self-sacrifice, that will make me happy. Come on. Aw, I couldn't get a kill in. Anyways, this has been KestalKayden. I hope you guys have enjoyed me playing War Inc. with a little bit of fun on my hands. Leave a comment down below, like the video, subscribe to the video. It really helps me out. So until next time, guys, have fun.